Do you ever head out the door, getting ready to go someplace, and you forget the keys? Oh, brother. Time to rise and shine. My room needed lots of attention when I got back from vacation. I needed to wash the sheets, wash the comforter, get the pillowcases changed, vacuum, dust. I had to take down the curtains in my room. For some reason, spiders love our house during the summer. Do you guys get extra spiders around your house, which create spider webs, which then need to be vacuumed? It's a never-ending cycle. Do you guys bring back the bath products that are in your hotel room when you're on vacation? This is what I brought back from Puerto Vallarta. Before I left on vacation, I asked Raleigh if he would change the vent filters. We have 5 of them, I think, in our house. Well, he didn't get around to doing it, and as you can see, they need to be done terribly. So I got the ladder out, and I decided to do it myself. Next project, window cleaning. Raleigh was able, and he was around to help me with that. I cleaned the window pretty much, and he put the sash back in.
Baby, I don't need dollar bills to have fun tonight. Baby, I don't need dollar bills.
Do you ever head out the door, getting ready to go someplace, and you forget the keys? Oh, brother. Okay, so I am headed. I'm going to Vaughn's first, and I'm going to get a card and a gift card very quickly. I'm always running late. I'm headed over to the Ronald McDonald House because today is a going away party for Sven. I'm so sad. Sven is the volunteer coordinator at the Ronald McDonald House, and he is moving on to another position. He's going to be working for Heinz Hospice. He's going to be the volunteer coordinator there. So today they are having a luncheon for him. Okay, sunglasses. Guys, it has been almost a week since I've been back from vacation, and I am still just trying to get back into the swing of things. I came home to a house that needed attention. All kinds of things to do. It's 88 degrees and it's 11 o'clock. And I have one more video to post of vacation of Puerto Vallarta, and then I can move on. I have about 5 videos that I need to film, that I want to film, I should say. Do we ever need to? I don't know, we want to, right? Friday night. No one feels like cooking when it's so hot. Do you feel like cooking, hon? We have some coupons. And we're gonna go to, oh, Mamma Mia.
Can't listen to it.
No. And we're going to do Wiener Schnitzel, or Wiener Schnitzel now that it's called. It's not called Der Wiener Schnitzel anymore. It's in laundry. I took the curtains off, the curtains in our room off the rod, and I washed them. Now I have to iron them and put them back up.
Why do they need to be ironed?
Because they're all wrinkled. Our windows need to be washed need to be cleaned in our bedroom, so I need to do that. Little by little, we've been cleaning the windows. You help. Did you help me last? Well, I was trying to be nice and say we, but okay, mainly me.
I put the sash back in.
Yeah, thanks.
Tuesday, July 10th.
Good morning, everyone, and happy Saturday. Raleigh and I and baby Zoe under that stroller are here at the cherry auction. So I like the flea market over here. Well, baby Skin can't take too much of the heat outside, so we left the farmers, or we left the swap meet. I got some cucumbers, some celery, and some mushrooms. Couldn't find any mint. No one has mint, so we'll get some mint hopefully here at Vallarta. What's Daddy doing? What's Daddy doing while you're eating your watermelon? Too busy with my watermelon. I like it. Can I have a bite? Lola, have a bite? Lola, have a bite? Lola, have a bite? Thank you.